To get started with Wells Fargo mobile banking, first download the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. If you are an existing Wells Fargo customer, select I have a Wells Fargo account and follow the prompts to enroll in mobile banking. You will need your Wells Fargo account number or debit card number and your social security number or tax identification number. If you do not have a Wells Fargo account, you can select Open an account to apply for a new account. Once you have enrolled, create a username and password for your mobile banking account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. After enrolling, you can log into the app using your username and password. The mobile app allows you to view your account balances and transaction history, pay bills, and transfer money between accounts. You can also use the app to deposit checks remotely using your smartphone's camera. To do this, select Deposit a check, enter the check amount, and take a picture of the front and back of the check. To pay a bill, select Pay a bill, enter the payment amount and the payee's information, and confirm the payment. You can also use the app to send and receive money with Zelle, a peer-to-peer payment service. To do this, select Send money with Zelle, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number, and the amount you want to send. In addition to these features, the Wells Fargo mobile app also offers account alerts, which can help you stay on top of your account activity and prevent fraud. You can set up alerts to notify you when a large transaction is made or when your account balance falls below a certain amount. To get the most out of Wells Fargo mobile banking, make sure to keep your app and operating system up to date. Use strong and unique passwords, and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these best practices, you can securely and conveniently manage your finances on the go with Wells Fargo mobile banking.